Okay, we're here with the Park County Dugouts food reviews, and we're down in Gardiner, Montana tonight. Did my preview on the Gardiner Bruins girls team and boys team. They look like they're ready to go. Girls are still flying sky high after the second in state in volleyball, and the boys are still smarting from their loss to West Yellowstone last year in the districts, but they're ready to go too. Friday night against Lone Peak at home is their game. So we're at the Wonderland Cafe in Gardiner, and I got my trusty cameraman Will, my son, and I ordered the Montana burger. They gave me my choice of beef, bison, or I think elk. I chose the beef. So this is it. They gave me a plate of fries. I ordered coffee to drink, and notice that they gave me a big mug that doesn't require to stand over me all the time. The customer service has been great so far. So let's get into this thing. It's got some kind of special sauce, they said, and
I think it's huckleberry sauce.
oh yeah, huckleberry. Thank you, Will. And cheese, which just came off with the hamburger. So I could cut this in half, but I'm not going to. So let's see. This is a big burger. How much? I think this cost $17.
16.
16? $16 for this size. It's very big. It's got bacon on it, white cheddar, huckleberry, and I asked them to cook it medium rare. Well, that tastes pretty good. William's stealing my fries. I better try a French fry. William ordered the chicken wings and a bowl of mac and cheese.
Kids mac and cheese.
Kids mac and cheese. What did you think of the wings?
Pretty good.
Huh? Scale of 10.
8.
Solid 8.
8.
Okay. And the mac and cheese?
Good tasting over here.
That's great.
Excellent.
Thanks. The mac and cheese, he's going to give it a
9.
Oh, a 9. So let's see. Well, can you take a zoom around the cafe?
Yep.
I like Gardiner. It's a neat little town. I suppose there's a lot more places open to eat in the summer with the tourist season, but this is the Wonderland Cafe. I've been meaning to try it. We had brunch or breakfast here about 3 years ago. I remember that they had really good cinnamon rolls. I think I had tuna fish at the time, and tuna fish was pretty good. I'm gonna give this burger It's good. I mean, to be honest, there's nothing that distinguishes the burger from any other burger I've had. It's above average. The bacon is the main thing that I taste. It's loaded down with bacon. The burger is medium rare. I asked for it as such, so that's good. The bun holds together well. I'm going to give it a 8.7. 8.7 on the food. And you can read the review in the Dugout to find out what else I thought of this restaurant. So I think our next review will be back up in Livingston somewhere. If you have a particular place that you guys want me to review, go ahead and send me an email at jeffslap@parkcounty.com. That's it from Wonderland Cafe.